Hey guys, and welcome back to Trading at Home. Today is the 11th of April. It's currently about 4:39 a.m. and I just thought I would look over today's not today's, but the last week's performance that I had last week, all the trades that I entered, how much I made, percentage, all of that. So currently I am in a trade. It's kind of going against me actually, as you can see, but whatever, we'll see what the outcome of that is. But let's pay attention to this week. So I took a trade on the 1st of April that I had to hold over the weekend. So I actually only closed it. I took it on the 1st and I only closed it like on the 5th, on the Tuesday. So it was a 3% trade. And this is how it looked. You can see I got in here at the break of this level. And then, let's jump this side. Essentially, this is what it did. Shot way up, you see consolidated for a couple of days. I literally entered here on the 1st of April. Spent a couple of days in consolidation with it before on the 3rd day it hit TP. Actually even flew way past TP. So that was the first trade. That broke me up plus 3%. Then I took another trade on the 6th, which was a loss. If you look here, this is where I entered here. It was the first candlestick formation that happened after the break of this level here. So it was the first entry candlestick that I got. And as you can see, it was a very quick loss. Let's open it up here. There you go. This huge candlestick came in and took me out. It was crazy. It was a crazy. I think I even have a video on it on my week in the life of a forex trader. If you look at it, you'll see my reaction to this gigantic candle. But you can see I was taken out almost immediately. And for the rest of that time, price kind of consolidated. So that was about a negative 1R, which is fine. It is what it is. And again on the 7th, which was Thursday, I believe. Yep, Thursday. I took another trade. It was also a loss. Here it is. I entered here at the break of this level here. But something I realized when I went back and looked over all my trades, I do that every weekend, I look at all the trades that I've taken, is that this was not a valid trade. I kind of made a mistake and I did not accurately put this horizontal ray in the correct place. This horizontal ray should actually be sitting somewhere around here, which means this would not have been an entry. Okay, this would not have been an entry because this would not have been here at all. So it happens. It happens. There's nothing I can do about it. Okay, yes. So this would not have been an entry, but whatever, it is what it is. You make mistakes and you learn. Now I know to properly check whether I've lined up my raise, appropriately, because what can happen if you don't is not fun. Then on the 8th, on the Friday, I took a trade again. That was a win. So I was up 3%. Here we go. So you can see price broke below this level here, broke above and retested. It was a simple retest trade here. Took an entry right here on this candle. And you can see price shot up. My TP was around this area here, somewhere around here. And you can see price even continued to push up even higher past my initial TP. So that is the trades for the market profile strategy that I took over the week. If you include the 1st of April trade, which I actually closed the following week, then I'm up about 3% for the week. But if you don't count it because it was a previous week's trade, then I'm up about a little less than 1%. Overall, on the trading account, I started off with $200. And I am currently sitting on 196, so I am down. And if you look at how much I'm down by, divided by 200, I'm down about 1% by the looks of it. If I just do this, you'll see what I mean. Times 100. There. Oh, that didn't work out very well. Okay, point is it's equal to 200 divided, but 190. 6.59 divided by 200 is about 98.25, which is a little less than 1%. That's how much I'm down times 100. No. So that's about how much I'm down on the overall on the account, which I'm not concerned about. It is what it is. We just keep pushing. So I was in drawdown for the better part of February and a little bit of March, but as you can see, I'm slowly climbing my way out of it. This was the initial balance here, 200. When I initially started, we were kind of just not really making any money, not really making much profit before I went through that losing streak, and now we're slowly coming out of it. I'm hoping at least by the end of April, I'll be either back at break even or at least a little bit more than break even, and then May and onwards, you can start looking at actually making some profits, which it's the nature of trading. You don't know when your losing streak is going to be. You don't know when your probabilities are going to play out. Your job is to just execute. So the pure price action strategy is another strategy that I have, and it's based on the 1 hour time frame. There's no indicator. No, there are indicators, but they don't make that much decisions for me. It's more pure price action. There's no indicators other than the EMAs that I use. So on that strategy, I did lose two. I think I took 2 trades that entire week, last week only, and they were both losses. So I'm down about 2.53%, but overall on the entire account, I'm up about 8.18%. So this pure price action strategy is a demo. It's a demo account, but I just put in an order at my bank to take out some money, and I'm gonna put $200 into this account for the pure price action strategy. That way we can start trading it live. So I'm gonna have 2 live accounts, $200, and we're just gonna be really focusing on consistency and trading the plan, whether we're making money or not, and really just seeing are these 2 strategies profitable in the long term. So that's kind of a catch up on, you know, last week's trades, everything that I took. Oh, okay, yeah, we should actually probably look at the trades. So on the 7th, I took this trade here, the break of this level. No, wait, on the 7th. Oh, here it is. I took a trade here. Well, it looks a little bit more sus. What time frame is this? 1 hour. Here, I took an entry here on this candle that you see here. But the thing is, I didn't see that there was a 4 hour level right below it. So when I initially took the trade, the support level wasn't there. I didn't see it. If I saw it, I wouldn't have taken the trade, but the bygones be bygones. This was a loss. Then on the 8th, I entered another trade, which is the trade that I just showed you. I entered again right here at the break of this 4 hour level, and it was going in my favor, and it actually did go to hit TP, but not before hitting my stop loss. So as you can see, I entered here, right? It was here that I entered. Price came down, knocking me out before shooting up and hitting what would have been my TP, which is okay. Trading, it happens. You move. So currently, what I'm looking for on the 1 hour price action strategy is any kind of buy signal up here to take some longs, or any short signals from down here to take it down. So whatever the market will give me, I will take. But that's all that I have for you guys today. That's the trades that I took this week on both different strategies. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.